Welcome, everyone. Today, we're trying something totally new. I'm taking an inflatable kayak out for some fishing here on the stunning beaches of Morocco. Let's see how this goes. Let me introduce you to my fishing vessel for the day, the Decathlon Itiwit 100 Plus Inflatable Kayak. It's a two-seater model that can hold up to 195 kilograms, or about 430 pounds. This kayak is built with two side chambers, or air tubes, that can be inflated up to 3 psi. It also has a central air bladder that can take up to 5 psi. Now, it's time to head out to our fishing spot. When launching a kayak in open water like this, it's essential to find areas where the waves don't break. It makes it a lot safer going in and out. But today, the conditions are perfect for kayaking. One more tip. As you paddle, conserve your energy. No need to row too hard. Just a steady pace will get us there. All right, we've arrived. Before I dropped anchor here to keep us in place. And now, let's set up our bait. Today, I'm using shrimp. It's a great choice for attracting fish in these waters. Alright, I think I've got something. It's tugging a little. Let's see if it's a big one. And it's out. Looks like we've got ourselves a Moroccan sea perch. Not quite the size I was hoping for, though. Too small to keep. So I'll release it and hope for something bigger on the next cast. After releasing that first perch, I've decided to try my luck in a different spot. Sometimes, just a short paddle to a new area can make all the difference. I'm moving to a spot where I've had some good catches before. Let's anchor down again and see if we can attract something bigger here. Time to rebait the hook and try again, hoping for something a bit larger this time. Wait, I think I've got a bite. Reeling it in slowly, trying not to lose it. Almost there. It's another sea perch. Looks like it's the same size as the first one. This little guy is just not quite the size we're after today. I'll let it go and give it one more shot. Unfortunately, today wasn't my lucky day for catching any big fish. But don't worry, I've got some great catches saved from past trips that I'll share with you now to wrap up the video. Thanks for joining me on this fishing adventure here in Morocco. Make sure to like and subscribe for more fishing trips. Until next time, tight lines.